right. Grab a stiff drink and settle in. This one's not about heroes, not really. It's about a crossing. A rough one. System called Teak. Some of you might have heard of it. Some of you might have even ran it. They said the route was closed for all, a wall of ships the traders made. No toll declared, no terms, no law, silent guns and tractors waiting. The Strait of Teak burned pale and quiet, engines dim to mask the light. A dozen signatures held still, waiting for the first to kill. We came in small, we came in fast, through guarded wrecks and drifting mass. Drones ahead like iron teeth, one more thing between relief and what survives the crossing run. No glory here, no chosen one, just commanders with failing shields and overwhelming dreams. They said the route was closed for all, a wall of ships the traders made. Freighters and fighters chained the lanes, cargo holds packed full of missiles. Trader ships became a line, pirates dressed in profit signs. You ping the radar, nothing clear, just layered hulls from edge to rear. And somewhere past that iron wall, a system waiting through it all. We burn through energy and tweaks like dust, rebuilding waves because we must. Each loss a number, not a name. Each push ahead, the same damn game. Your reactor screams, your shield grows thin. You vent the heat, you dive back in. No time to think what waits behind or what you'll leave in kind. They said the route was closed for all, a wall of ships the traders made. Every breach they sealed again, every gap consumed in fire. Then something breaks, not them but you. The fear burns out, the panic too. You stop retreating, kill the doubt, and simply force a way on through. The line collapses, not all at once, but cracks beneath relentless fronts. A gap, a flicker, space to breathe. You surge ahead or never leave. On the other side, it's cold and wide, no traders there, no need to hide, just quiet stars, an empty span, and what remains of what you read. No medals wait beyond that line, no credits worth the cost in time. Just one more system crossed, and everything it took. They said the route was closed for all, a wall of ships the traders made. Still they build the blockade back, still they wait for someone trying. They still held Teak on certain days, rebuilt the wall in different ways, and someone new will make the run, not knowing what's to come.